M26 Pershing heavy tank is discovered resting silently after decades of abandonment beneath seawater. Technicians carefully assess its condition, secure lifting points, and slowly recover the massive steel vehicle from the ocean floor without further structural damage. Once recovered, the tank is stabilized and transported to a rudimentary industrial workshop. As it enters the facility, seawater, mud, and corrosion residues continue to drain away, revealing the true extent of long-term deterioration. Technicians conduct a detailed inspection of the hull, suspension, tracks, drivetrain, and engine compartment. Every crack, deformation,
that is rough.
And corrosion
the
zone
entire bay
is carefully
ruined.
evaluated.
We're looking at
to
a full
determine
replacement here,
structural
maybe even the
integrity
transmission.
and restoration feasibility.
All right, that cooling hose is secure. Pass me the next fuel line.
Roger that. Watch your fingers on this clamp.
Separating major systems such as the engine, transmission, suspension, tracks, turret, and internal mechanisms. Each component is removed in sequence to allow individual treatment and repair. Restored components are reinstalled step by step, rebuilding the drivetrain, suspension, tracks, engine, turret systems, and internal controls. Electrical wiring and fluid systems are renewed and connected according to original mechanical logic.
All right, bring it down
Corrosion
another
is
foot.
eliminated through abrasive blasting
Copy
and
that.
chemical treatment.
Coming down slowly.
Rust layers are stripped away to reveal the original steel beneath, allowing technicians to identify weakened areas that require repair or reinforcement. All removed components undergo intensive cleaning using high-pressure water, degreasing solutions, fresh air. Mud, oil residue, salt deposits, and contaminants are fully removed, exposing bare metal surfaces for accurate inspection.
Maintain pressure on the feed line.
Roger that. It's holding steady.
Tolerance is within spec on the drive shaft.
Noted. The ring gear looked good too.
Okay, the transmission drop point is clear. Move it into bay 4. Copy that. Moving the assembly now.
I can barely move this one, Clint. That bearing is definitely failing. Mark this point.
What are you reading on that torsion bar?
Looks like 3 millimeters deep right here. That's significant.
Damaged structures are welded and reinforced. Worn components are machined back to precise tolerances, and irreparable parts are replaced. Bearings, shafts, seals, and structural elements are restored to mechanical reliability.
Hold it right there. Keep the bevel clean. Yeah, I see the groove forming now.
Hear that? It's thin right here.
Yeah, I got it marked. Looks like it's down almost 3 millimeters. This bracket is definitely compromised. Mark the full radius here.
Got it. Should I apply the second clamp now?
All right, hold it right there. We need to clear the intake manifold.
Copy that. Coming down very slowly.
Clear the deck now. Everyone stand by. We are lifting on my mark.
Almost seated. Watch the guides. Clear on the bolts. Lower slowly.
Okay, bring it down slow. We're almost there.
That's it. It's lined up.
Coming in with the pin.
Pressure stabilizing now. Fuel circulation looks good, right on spec. She's turning smooth. Test successful.
Before full operation, all systems are calibrated and aligned. Fluids are circulated, pressure levels are verified, and cold
Rotation looks steady at
tests
20
are
RPMs.
performed. The engine
Bearing
is then started
temperatures
for the
holding
first
nominal
time,
values.
monitored closely for stability
Make a note
and
of the
balance.
vibration dampening.
Move the wrench to position 3.
This one? This thing.
Yes, and set the wheel down gently.
Check the alignment on point 4.
Looks good here. Secure the latches. We are ready for the lift.
Ready on
fully
the
restored
turnbuckle.
tank undergoes
tight,
controlled
boss.
movement
All right,
and load
lift steady.
testing. Once all systems perform smoothly and reliably, the M26
Structural
Pershing emerges
viability
from the workshop
confirmed.
fully revived,
Start the systematic
completing its
disassembly
transformation
protocol.
from corroded relic to operational machine.